How to create a group chat on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can create a group chat on Discord. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, locate your Discord app and then open it up. After you open up your Discord, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're there, you can simply swipe right if you're on any server, or if you're on your home messages, simply swipe right again and you should find the plus icon right here. Tap on it. And from here, you'll be able to create your server. Now, server is a group, so you'll need to create one for yourself. So tap on create my own. And from here, you can choose if it's for you and your friends or for a club and community. I'll just tap on for me and my friends. After tapping on that, just name your server, then tap on create server. If you want, you can also upload a picture there. Now, this is the link for your server. You can share the link, and if you have your friends here, you can tap on the invite button to invite your friends as well. You can copy the link from right here, and then you can share the link. Tap on the done button after you're done, and you've just created the group. Now, when the people click on the link that you share, they will be able to join the server or the group as well. And that's how you do it, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.